Hey guys, it may be July, but it's Halloween time at Costco. Let's go take a look at their Halloween collection for 2025. Okay, y'all need to run to Costco because these are surely to sell out fast. They have just arrived at the Costco in Garden Grove, California. Check out these figures. They are handmade by robots to mimic the look of hand-knit creations. They are 12 inches tall and are priced at $39.99. I believe that there are 5 different figures to choose from. There's Michael Myers from Halloween, Sam from Trick or Treat, Chucky from Child's Play, Leatherface from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and Ghostface from Scream. Oh my gosh, they are so cute and are a must-have for any horror fans. Each figure display got a chance to sit in my shopping cart for a quick photo. Say cheese, Chucky. Say cheese, Ghostface. Say cheese, Michael Myers. I honestly wanted to kidnap them and push them around the store with me, but I put them back so that others can enjoy looking at them as well. These figures would look awesome displayed in a glass case, on an end table, on top of a dresser, or on a shelf in your room. I would honestly buy the entire collection if I had the money. I just love them. I can't watch horror movies because afterwards I would often have nightmares, but these guys are just too cute. Be sure to share this video with anyone who likes horror movies so that they don't miss out on these cuties. Okay, displayed next to these horror figures are the Halloween dog greeters. They are $59.99. They are also really cute and can be displayed in your home or on your front porch. Although I wouldn't recommend displaying anything outside of your home, as I had a ceramic pumpkin stolen from my patio last year, just the day before Halloween. Can you believe that? People can suck sometimes. Anywho, next to the cute doggies is the Disney Halloween Pumpkin House. It is 16 inches tall and has lights and music. I swear every year Disney comes out with a cute Halloween display. I would buy their crap every year too if I had the money. Then at the end here are some hand-hooked accent rugs. I personally like the ghosty rug, and it looks like they are about to sell out of them too. Where are all the Black Lab owners at? Y'all know you want this rug. They have 4 different designs to choose from, and they are just $16.99. On the other corner are some Harvest and Halloween decorative pillows by Brentwood Originals. They're only $10.99, folks. You can choose from a spiderweb, a mummy cat, a pumpkin, and a spooky ghost. I like the pumpkin one because it's round and huggable. The next item is a Mickey pumpkin with lights and music, and that is priced at $94.99. This is actually a returning item from last year. And the last Halloween item is the giant groundbreaking skeleton with LCD eyes and sounds. He looks pretty similar to last year's skeleton, except this year he's missing a few teeth and the eyes are different. He's awesome and popular too. That's probably why they brought him back again this year. Well, that's all the Halloween stuff that they have out so far for 2025. It's still early though, so I'm sure more Halloween stuff is to come. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'll do a part 2 to this video once the Halloween costumes are out and include more Halloween decorations if there are any. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.